If you want to enjoy your beans, then this is the best recipe you have to stick on, okay? This is a beans and sweet corn recipe with some smoked fish, some smoked mackerel, some crayfish, some seasoning cubes, salt, and chili for that bit of hotness, you know what I mean. But if you don't like it hot or spicy, you can come down on the level of spice you want, or you can as well do without it, okay? So you want to stick on this page. If you are new on this page, kindly click on the subscribe button, drop a comment, and I will do what to respond any question at all. Don't forget to like this video as well. Welcome if you are new to this page, okay? So let's get into it. So in your pot, you just want to go in with your cooked beans. I had to boil my beans in my pressure pot so it could come out tender and soft. You want it very soft, okay? So I cooked mine for about 40 minutes to 1 hour, and it came out very soft, okay? And then I put that and then went in with a bit of hot water, just a bit, into the pot, because you want this to come out in a creamy paste kind, you know what I mean, okay? So, and then bring that to a boil or a simmer, and then you go in with your onion. Guys, don't be stingy with your onion at this point. Be generous with your onion, because one of the secret to a very yummy beans is enough onion. You need to go in with lots of onion, okay, as much as possible. Okay, so I went in with my scotch bonnet, blended, and then I went in with my tomato mix. That's a mixture of the long pepper, the bell pepper, and some tomato. It has no spice in it. That one is not hot. The one that is hot is the first one, which is the hot pepper, okay? So I just add all of that to cook, and then I just stir in a bit with my spatula. I just went in with it so it could just circulate round. I stirred and stirred and stirred and stirred, and then I cover it and allowed it to cook for about 3 minutes, and then I opened it, and this is what we have, okay? And so the next point is for you to go in with your red oil, guys. Go in with that oil at this point. So besties, there's something about cooking. Cooking is all about steps, and that is what I'll be giving you in this page, okay? In this channel, we teach you all the secrets of cooking. Cooking is an art, okay? Cooking is an art. It's something you do with passion, and it's not gonna stress you when you are doing it with passion. You're gonna enjoy every bit of it when you do it with passion, okay? But let me know in the comment section if you actually like beans and how you like your beans, because me, I have a 2-year-old and she had a full plate of this beans because it tastes amazing. So I went in with my salt, my seasoning cube, my smoked mackerel, and my crayfish, okay? My smoked mackerel, I used my air fryer to smoke it, and then it came out very smoked, okay? And then I have my blended crayfish, which I went in with this. These ingredients are very healthy and highly proteinous. It is something you want your children to eat. It is something you want your loved ones to enjoy, okay? So you go in with all of that. So I gave it a good stir. You want to give it a good stir at this point. You need everything to marry together. You know what I mean, besties? At this point, if you've watched to this point, then please hit on the subscribe button. Subscribe to this channel, and I'll be happy to have you all in here. So I had some mint leaf in the freezer, so I just shredded a bit of it and went in with it. It gives this good flavor. It gives this good flavor. Tell me if you like mint leaf as well in the comment section, because some people don't like it and they can do without minced meat and minced leaf. Okay, mint leaf, so they can do without it. It's also called scent leaf. So you want everything to simmer, and then I went in with my almighty sweet corn besties. If you've not tried this combo, then you are missing out. Maybe that's the reason why your loved ones, your kids don't like beans. Yes, because you're not giving them this light combo. You make sweet corn and beans is an everyday thing. It's a good combination, besties. It's very, very yummy. Try it and let me know what you think about it. Try this recipe and don't forget to let me know. I want to know what you found out or how you saw the whole combo. Okay, it's really nice. And then I would like at this point to let you know what this channel is all about. So if you're new on this channel, you are highly welcome. And then I just want you all to know that this channel is here for value. Okay, so on this channel we've got this short acronym: we cook, we braid, and we style. Okay, so what does that mean? In this page, we'll be sharing amazing recipes that you can try at home, and then we braid our hair, we style our hair ourselves. So I'm gonna be sharing DIY hairstyles you can do for yourself, your daughter, and your loved ones, and it comes out very amazing. And then we style our clothes here. Okay, we share amazing inspirational trending outfit ideas you could wear to work, to college, for occasions, for dinners, for out dates, for evenings, and all that. We share all of that in this page, so you can go with us. We cook, we braid, and we style. Okay, so if you are new here, you are highly welcome. We've got everything you want. Okay, and we're giving nothing but value, and we value you all, and that's why I call you all my besties. Okay, so you can call me bestie as well. Don't forget, if you have any question whatsoever, just drop it in the comment section. I will be there to answer all your questions. Okay, we are here for value. We are here to give you all value. I just want you guys to have good experience in your kitchen, good experience in your fashion, and good experience in your hairstyles. Okay, we are not leaving any stone untouched. Okay, so just stick with us. Just make sure you subscribe. Okay, please subscribe, like this video, and share. Bye.